Creating multiple income streams is the concept of generating revenue from various sources, diversifying your income and reducing the dependency on a single source of income. This can be achieved through investments, freelancing, passive income streams, and entrepreneurship. Many people are exploring the idea of making money from home by sharing free information. With the rise of digital platforms and the internet, individuals can create and share valuable content, such as tutorials, guides, and expertise, to attract an audience and monetize their knowledge. Free information can generate income through advertising revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling premium content or products. Blogging has immense potential as a source of income by sharing valuable knowledge and expertise in English. Through well-crafted articles, bloggers can reach a wide audience and monetize their content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to explore a world of passive income and financial independence, all from the comfort of home. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated, individuals can tap into a lucrative income stream without the need for a traditional 9-to-5 job. Creating and monetizing online courses or webinars is a lucrative way to share expertise and earn money. By leveraging digital platforms, individuals can reach a global audience and capitalize on their knowledge and skills. Creating and sharing free ebooks, downloadable resources, can be a potential source of income through strategies such as offering premium content, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Exploring the world of sponsored content and advertising can be a lucrative way to make money by sharing free information. By partnering with brands or businesses, content creators can monetize their platforms while still providing valuable content to their audience.